Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys to do is very simple. So you need not to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for secure VPN. Now once you search for secure VPN, you can see a lot of them, but I recommend this one. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update this particular VPN. Now once you update this particular VPN, all you need to do is to just open this VPN. So you can see over here, secure VPN. Open this secure VPN over here. Now once you open this secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Just wait as it is connecting. So click on connect and then connect to this VPN. You can see connected. Now once you are connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store once again. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for this application, receive SMS online. Now once you search for receive SMS online, you can see this particular application over here. So just wait as it is loading. So you can see receive SMS online. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update this application to the latest version. Now once you update this application, now once you have updated or downloaded this application, just go ahead and then open this application. So you can see receive SMS online. Now once you open this application, just wait as it is loading over here, and you can see SMS receive email. Click on the second one, which is receive email. So all you need to do is to copy this email, or you can choose to just change it. So you can just change it to a different one. So you can click on this one and then change it, or you can just copy this one and you can see copied. Now once you have copied this email, all you need to do is to just go back. Now once you go back, just open your Gmail application. So just look for your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail application, just wait as it is loading for your messages over here. So just click on your profile at the top right corner. Now once you click on your profile at the top right corner, you can see add another account. Click on that one. Click on add another account. And once you click on add another account, just wait and then click on Google. Now once you click on Google, all you need to do is to just, you can see check-in info. Now in this case, you can see it is asking for your email or phone. All you need to do is to click on create account and then click on for my personal use. Now once you click on create account, you click on for my personal use and then you wait for the next step. Now for the next step, it's gonna ask for your name, so enter your name. To enter your first name, then you enter your last name, now once you are done, all you need to do is to click on next. Now once you click on next, just wait and then enter your date of birth, the day. You can choose any one, and then the year. Now once you are done, select your gender. Now once you are done with your basic info, then you click on next. Now once you click on next, just wait as it is loading, and now you can see it will suggest this email for you. Now all you need to do is to click on create your own Gmail address, because we want to create our own address without using our contacts. So click on create your own Gmail address. And once you click on that, in this case, all you need to do is to paste the one that we copied from, receive SMS online. And once you copy it, delete everything over here, including the art, because the art is already there. Now once you are done with this, click on next. And once you click on next, just enter your password over here. Now once you are done with this, click on next. And once you click on next over here, all you need to do is to just wait, and then you can see the email address over here. So you have to review your account info and then click on next. Now once you are done with this, boom, everything is done. Now you can see I agree. Click on I agree over here, and by clicking on I agree, you have created your unlimited Gmail account. So with this, you can create unlimited Gmail account without using your phone number. This is very, very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,